decides the values of upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage. The combination of R1 and R2 network decides the values of upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage, called reference voltages. Okay, let's see. Here V1 is the non-inverting voltage, V2 is the inverting voltage. That is also called as Vin. How to calculate this V1? Because your two resistors are connected. This is feedback resistor and it is input resistor connected to the ground. Apply voltage division rule. V1 is equals to output voltage into opposite resistance R1 by R1 plus R2. R1 by R1 plus R2. If you want to consider this as a feedback resistor R1 and if you want to consider this as R2, then here same. Output voltage into opposite resistance by overall resistance R1 plus R2. Where? What is the equation for V0? This is equation number 1. What is the equation for V0? I said that Schmitt trigger acts as a differential amplifier. That is V0 is equals gain of the circuit A into V1 minus V2. V1 minus V2. Difference in the input voltage. We know that this V2 is equals to input voltage, then V1 is equals to threshold voltage or reference voltage. However you take, it's your choice. Right. Let us see first. In threshold voltage, V1 means threshold voltage. V2 means input voltage. See here, V2 is equals to input voltage which we applied here, and V1 is, we can also call it as threshold voltage or reference voltage, whatever it is. However you consider, it's up to you. Then we have a very good relation from equation 2. What is that? V0 is equals to gain into V1 minus V2. V1 minus V2. Where V1 is nothing but a threshold voltage and V2 is nothing but a input voltage. Right here. V0 becomes equal to gain into A into V1 means input voltage. So V1 means threshold voltage VT minus V2. V2 is nothing but here input voltage Vin. Now the entire operation of this circuit runs with this concept only. With this concept only. Consider case 1. Case 1. This is equation 3. Case 1 I am considering in this, when V input voltage is greater than threshold voltage. Here, this is a sine wave which we are applying as input to non-inverting Schmitt trigger circuit. For this circuit at minus negative terminal, that is inverting terminal, we are applying input voltage as a sine signal. As it is a Schmitt trigger, it is having two threshold voltages, positive threshold voltage and negative threshold voltage. Positive threshold voltage is called VUT, means upper threshold voltage. Negative threshold voltage is called as V suffix LT, where LT means lower threshold voltage. Lower threshold voltage. Simply, Schmitt trigger is having two threshold voltages, upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage. Okay. Now, we have a output equation. We are equal to some gain of the circuit into differences in the input voltage. V1 minus V2. Where V1 is equal to what? Threshold voltage. VT. VT means threshold voltage. Which threshold voltage that is? That may be upper threshold voltage or lower threshold voltage, based on your consideration. VT, V1 is equals to VT here. VT and enti? That may be VUT or VLT. Upper threshold voltage kavachu, lower threshold voltage kavachu. Based on your requirement, you have to consider. And Vin means the input signal which we are applying here. Vin, amplitude of the input signal. Now, case 1, first case, listen very carefully. If input voltage is greater than the threshold voltage, if input voltage is greater than threshold voltage, then what will be the output voltage? Student, here, V0 is equals A into C. If this V input voltage is greater than the threshold voltage, if input voltage is greater than this threshold voltage, then what is the output voltage? Negative, positive, nothing once. Think once. Girls and guys, listen here. For example, threshold voltage is equals to VT is equals to 5 volts. Listen. 5 volts means upper threshold voltage greater than 0. Listen. Upper threshold voltage VUT is always positive voltage. VLT is always negative voltage. That you have to remember. If input voltage is greater than this upper threshold voltage, and if you consider it as 5 volts plus 5 volts, then what is the output voltage? And your condition is if V input voltage is greater than the upper threshold voltage, this is 5 volts. Greater than 5 volts means this one. This part of the waveform. See, this part. This is greater than threshold voltage. If input voltage is greater than threshold voltage, and the threshold voltage can find part, this part. So input voltage is greater than threshold voltage. This part of the waveform means if it is 5 volts and our input voltage is greater than 5 volts, if our input voltage is greater than 5 volts, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఈ threshold voltage కంటే మనం ఇచ్చే ఇన్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అనుకోండి, then what is the output voltage? This is 5 volts but this is 7 volts. So 5 minus 7 is equals to minus 2 kada, which is equals to minus 2 kadandi. Means minus voltage is the output voltage. Output voltage is minus voltage. Means the output changes from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. Listen carefully, don't confuse here. Output is having two levels, plus V saturation and minus V saturation. Equation ఏంటండి? VT minus Vin. Minus Vin in the sense Vin negative అని meaning. This is the equation. I am taking initially upper threshold voltage is equals to 5 volts for better understanding. And I am applying the input voltage as 7 volts. So 5 minus 7. Then what is the output voltage? Output is equals to some gain into output is equals to some gain into minus 2. Then what is the output voltage? Output is equals to some negative voltage we are getting. Some negative voltage we are getting. It means output is equals to minus V saturation. It means audio and video. Hello, everyone, are you there? Yeah, right. Listen. My upper threshold, my threshold voltage here is 5 volts. But I am applying input voltage. My input voltage is equals to 7 volts. This is 7 volts I am giving. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Means I am getting output is equals to minus V saturation. My output voltage is, because of this V not equal to minus voltage, output changes from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. It means when input voltage is crosses the upper threshold voltage, when this input voltage crosses the upper threshold voltage, then output changes its state from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. Output changes its state from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. Then, if V naught is equals to minus V sat, substitute this V naught value in the expression 1. Substitute it in equation 1. Then we have V1 is equals R2 into V naught. What is V naught? Minus V saturation divided by R plus R2. Just substitute V naught value in equation 1, this equation. Then V1 is equals to this thing you will get, which is equal low threshold voltage, we call it as VLT, lower threshold voltage, because output is changing from upper threshold voltage to lower threshold here. So VLT is equals to V1, which is equals, write it, minus V saturation into R2 by R1 plus R2. This is lower threshold voltage expression. Now, case 2, second case. Let us consider the second case. Our input signal, if our input signal is here, this is lower threshold voltage. Next, case 2. Case 2. If our input voltage Vin is less than, Vin is, first case Vin is greater than the threshold voltage. Now, input voltage is less than the threshold voltage. Less than the threshold voltage. Here threshold voltage in the sense low threshold voltage. If input voltage is less than the threshold voltage means lower threshold voltage. So this part of the circuit. So this part of the waveform. Or this part. This sine wave is entire input signal voltage. Input sine wave. If my sine wave is less than this threshold voltage, ఈ lower threshold voltage కంటే below ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? If input voltage, this signal voltage is less than threshold voltage, lower threshold voltage, దీనికంటే less ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? అప్పుడు చూడండి. Consider Vin is equal to 5 volts and threshold voltage, V threshold voltage is equals to minus 7 volts. Sorry, this is Vin is equals to, where is this? Vin is equals to is less, means this is minus 7 and this is 5 volts, say for example, minus 5 volts. Then if low input voltage is below the threshold voltage, less than the threshold voltage, means, see here, input voltage is less, threshold voltage value is more. This value, threshold voltage is more and input voltage value is less, because our second condition, student, V input voltage is less than the threshold voltage. Our input voltage, this is the sine wave is input voltage, signal voltage. This is the input signal and its voltage is input voltage. My input, applied input voltage is less, like below the lower threshold voltage. In such a condition, threshold voltage is greater than the input voltage kadandi ikkada. Means input voltage is less than the threshold voltage. If input voltage is less and threshold voltage is more, then output becomes plus V saturation. Output becomes plus V saturation. V naught is equals to plus V saturation. How it is? Just apply the logic here. We are applying the input sinusoidal signal voltage. That signal voltage is just below threshold voltage. Means threshold voltage kante less undandi. If input voltage is less than threshold voltage, means threshold voltage is greater kadandi and input voltage is less kada. Means if threshold voltage is more, input voltage is less, then we are going to get output voltage as positive voltage, plus V saturation voltage. It means the output is going to change from low minus V saturation to plus V saturation. V naught is equals to plus V saturation. This is plus V saturation. It changes its state from minus V saturation to plus V saturation. Next, again, this is upper threshold voltage. If the applied input signal is, our applied input voltage is greater than this threshold voltage, e threshold greater undandi, this positive signal. If it is greater than the threshold voltage, see here, if input voltage is greater and threshold voltage is less, then obviously output is equals to negative value you are going to get, minus V saturation. Once again, see here, our input voltage is greater, input voltage is greater than threshold voltage. Ikkada idi threshold voltage andi, this is threshold voltage, this dotted line, and our input voltage is above the threshold voltage. Means input voltage is greater than the threshold voltage. Then if input voltage is greater and threshold voltage is less, then definitely output is equals to some negative value we are going to get, minus V saturation we are going to get. In case 3, if V in is greater than the threshold voltage, then output changes its state from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. Output changes its state from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. See here, and it continues, and it goes on continues. See here, the process of converting sine wave into square wave. Here sine wave is converted into a square wave. This is called Schmidt trigger operation. See here, one thing you have to remember. In comparator, previous output waveform you just observed that there in comparator, there is only one threshold voltage, that is positive threshold voltage is there. If signal crosses within the positive half cycle, if distorted signal crosses the threshold voltage many times, that many times output voltage also changes. ఎన్ని సార్లు ఇన్పుట్ సిగ్నల్ థ్రెషోల్డ్ వోల్టేజ్ ని క్రాస్ చేస్తే అన్ని సార్లు అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఒకటే సైకిల్ లో అన్ని సార్లు చేంజ్ అవుతుందండి. కానీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, హియర్ దట్ కేస్ విల్ నాట్ అక్కర్ బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ హ్యావింగ్ టూ థ్రెషోల్డ్ వోల్టేజెస్, నెగటివ్ థ్రెషోల్డ్ వోల్టేజ్. If input signal crosses positive threshold voltage, then output becomes minus V saturation. If input voltage crosses negative threshold voltage, it crosses the negative threshold voltage, then output becomes positive V saturation. Again, if input voltage crosses positive threshold voltage, upper threshold voltage, then output goes to minus V saturation. If input crosses lower threshold voltage, then output goes to positive saturation. Reverse. ఇక్కడ ఇది సిగ్నల్ పాజిటివ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, థ్రెషోల్డ్ వోల్టేజ్ కవర్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయింది అనుకోండి క్రాస్ చేసి, దెన్ దిస్ ఇస్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్ నెగటివ్. ఒకవేళ ఇన్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ లెస్ దాన్ ద థ్రెషోల్డ్ వోల్టేజ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, దెన్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్ ప్లస్ వి సాచురేషన్. ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ వస్తుందండి. అంటే ఫర్ వన్ cycle we are getting only one output. For the negative half cycle we are going to get only one output. For the positive half cycle we are getting only one output. But in distorted signal, if you observe the previous one, for the only positive half cycle we are getting the outputs many times. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, continuous pulses we are getting. That is called distorted output or distortion in the signal. That is eliminated here with two threshold voltages. Okay, now sir ఒకసారి అలా క్రాస్ చేసి చూపించండి సార్ అని మీకు డౌట్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ డ్రా దిస్ అండ్ కాపీ దిస్, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ ఆల్సో. Please copy fast. We don't have much time. Yes, is it completed? Yes, have you copied or not?
Yes, sir, Professor.
See here, with a distorted signal. Let's see. This is a noisy signal or distorted input signal, V in. With a threshold voltage. Upper threshold voltage, lower threshold voltage. Upper threshold voltage, lower threshold voltage. See its output. How its output is going to change. Output voltage versus time period. This is plus V saturation and this is minus V saturation. Okay. Now see, if the input voltage crosses this upper threshold voltage, if it crosses upper threshold voltage, then the output is going to change from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. This is minus V saturation. See here, again, see here. The input signal is crossing the threshold voltage. It's crossing the threshold voltage, but output will not change. The reason here is output voltage is going to change again if the input voltage crosses the lower threshold voltage only. Upper threshold voltage then output changes its state from plus V sat to minus V saturation. Now, again the input voltage is crossing upper threshold voltage. This condition is not Schmitt trigger. It will not consider. When the output is going to change, if and if the input signal crosses the lower threshold voltage, lower threshold voltage ni cross chestene malli output change output it maintains constant. Sir, input signal voltage is crossing the lower threshold voltage. Then what happens? The minus V saturation can be converted into plus V saturation. It changes state from output changes its state from minus V saturation to plus V saturation. Next, again see here immediately the lower threshold voltage crossing the input signal voltage crossing the lower threshold voltage. Lower threshold voltage ni malli cross chesi paiki veltundandi ila chudandi this signal. But output may not changes. It maintains constant because output change avutundi if and only if the signal crosses the upper threshold voltage, then only output changes. Until then, the output remains constant. The output remains constant. Appadi variki output constant ga untundandi. Again, okay. If the input signal is changing the upper threshold voltage, see here this one. Then the output voltage changes its state from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. And again it maintains the constant. Means even though for one particular positive half cycle, if the input signal crossing the same threshold voltage many times, still the output remains constant. It won't changes. When the output changes in Schmitt trigger, if and only if once the input signal voltage crosses threshold voltage, it changes its state once in one half cycle, and after the next half cycle the signal has to cross the lower threshold voltage. Then only output changes from minus V saturation to plus V saturation. Ante for one cycle only one output will change. అలా ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది? If there is no distortion in the signal, then only the input signal crosses the threshold voltage only once. Distortion ఉందనుకోండి, many times it crosses the threshold voltage, but Schmitt trigger will not respond to that. ఎందుకంటే once it has to cross the upper threshold voltage, next immediately it has to cross the lower threshold voltage. Once it crosses the threshold voltage, lower threshold voltage, again to change the output state, the input has to cross the upper threshold voltage again, alternate గా. ఒకసారి upper threshold voltage ని క్రాస్ చేయాలి, ఒకసారి lower threshold voltage ని క్రాస్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ output change అవ్వాలి అంటే again it has to cross the upper threshold voltage. So this is one concept involved in Schmitt trigger. Please draw this. There is one more topic in this. Fast. In Schmitt trigger, hysteresis loop gets created. Hysteresis loop gets created in Schmitt trigger. What is that hysteresis loop and how it will be? Let's see. So to get the hysteresis loop, చెప్పండి ఏంటండి?
Continue tomorrow, sir. Time completed.
Just 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I'll complete. Okay. Here. To get the hysteresis loop, draw input voltage versus output voltage graph. This is output voltage and this is input voltage. Right? So output voltage having two levels, plus V saturation and minus V saturation. Output having only two levels, plus V saturation and minus V saturation, only two levels. Here, plus V saturation, minus V saturation. And input signal two levels, upper threshold voltage, lower threshold voltage. Input signal voltage is having two levels, upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage. Upper threshold voltage is positive, lower threshold voltage is negative. Here, this is upper threshold voltage, VUT, and this is negative means lower threshold voltage, VLT, lower threshold voltage. See here, when input voltage is greater than the upper threshold voltage, whenever the input voltage is greater than the threshold voltage, upper threshold voltage, whenever the input voltage is greater than the upper threshold voltage, then what happens? The output voltage falls down to minus V saturation. Whenever the input voltage is greater than the threshold voltage, this is input voltage graph. Whenever it crosses this upper threshold, the point cross chesindakondi, then immediately the output voltage falls down to the minus V saturation. This is minus V saturation. ఇక్కడికి పడిపోతుందండి. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ కేస్, whenever ఇక్కడ రాసేసానండి, whenever input voltage crosses the lower threshold voltage, మీ నోట్స్ లో చూడండి. సెకండ్ కేస్, whenever input voltage crosses the less than threshold voltage, Vin is less than lower threshold voltage, then output voltage changes its state from minus V saturation to plus V saturation. Right? So this loop is called hysteresis loop. Once again, draw the output voltage versus input voltage graph. Is called a hysteresis loop in Schmitt trigger. First case, when input voltage crosses the threshold, input voltage is greater than the upper threshold voltage. If input, this is x-axis input voltage, whenever it greater than, దీన్ని క్రాస్ చేయడం ట్రై చేసింది అనుకో threshold voltage ని, then V0 falls down from plus V saturation to See here, V naught is equals to minus V saturation అవుతుందండి. This is minus V saturation value. So it falls down like this. Next, whenever input voltage is less than the low threshold voltage, దీన్ని కంటే క్రాస్ చేసి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంది అనుకోండి, then the output changes its state from minus V saturation to plus V saturation. ఇది చేంజ్ అవుతుందండి. This entire loop is called hysteresis loop. Hysteresis loop. So this VH is the hysteresis voltage. It can be calculated as only one formula. The hysteresis voltage can be calculated as VH is equal lower threshold voltage minus upper threshold voltage. Upper threshold voltage VUT minus lower threshold voltage VLT. VLT is calculated here, VUT is calculated in second case. In first case, VLT is there. That is minus V saturation into R2 by V saturation into R2 by R1 plus R2. And upper threshold voltage is ఇక్కడ కేసులో ఉంటుంది చూడండి. That is plus V saturation into R2 by R1 plus R2. See here, R2 by R1 plus R2, R2 by R1 plus R2 is there common. Take R2 common. R2 by R1 plus R2 into, see here, plus V saturation minus again it is plus. Minus of minus is plus V saturation. That is VH is equals, hysteresis loop is equals, hysteresis voltage equal to 2 into V saturation voltage into R2 by R1 plus R2. This is hysteresis voltage. Very, very, very important. Compulsory question in the examination. Please copy that. And those who are copied, you can leave. Many students, for them, I'm not going to give the